This YESWELDER 4-in-1 MIG welder is a dual voltage 110 volts or 220 volts. Supports mean you can weld anywhere. This is used for stick welding. This one is for MIG welding. This is for lift TIG gas-powered welding. Clamp on to metal to start welding. Showing multi-process energetic options. And it's a powerhouse for both beginners and pros. With MIG, flex core, TIG, and stick capabilities, it's incredibly versatile. The synergetic controls make setup quick and easy. Smooth performance, clean welds, and compact designs. This machine delivers serious value for the price.